Hello and welcome guys. In today's video, in it I'll be showing you how to buy Solana on Binance and Solana. Before that, quickly our sponsors for today's video. MEXC. You want to trade crypto fast? You want to trade crypto online? You want to trade it easily? Go to MEXC, check them out. They're in the description down below. Also, FTMO. Want to keep up to 90% of your trade profits? Everybody does. But do you want to do it that with other people's money? Of course you do. Okay, that was too convoluted. Basically, they will give you the chance to trade with other people's money and keep up to 90% of the trade profits for yourself, as long as you can prove to them that you have the skill and knowledge to do so. So, head on over there and give your chance. Whatever, you got it. Okay, Bitcoin. Oh, why did I say Bitcoin? I meant Solana. It's already derating. Anyways, guys, so I'm going to be showing you how to buy Solana in today's video. What you want to do is go to trade, convert, and classic. You can do it via either way. When you go on to conversion, you must select the type of coin you want to be buying, of course. Doing that, you must know also the proper abbreviation. You can't just type Solana and it will pop. Of course, Solana starts with so the abbreviation is so. Select that, and the currency you want to spend or convert from one to another. I'll be using USDT, so it's already set. And type in the amount you want to, for example, buy Solana, and click preview conversion. If you have enough funds and you're satisfied with what they're giving you, just click confirm. For example, I won't be doing it like this. I'll be doing it like 15. Let's say I want to spend 15 USDT. Preview conversion. It's 0.16. Okay, convert. Bam, 15 USDT worth of Solana achieved. Okay. Also, you can buy it from here. I've shown already how to use this exchange, so I won't go into much detail. You just type in BNB and find your pair here. For me, it's USDT. If it's Ether and Celery, you'll be selecting something else. How much I want to buy? Oh, let's say 20 this time. Whoops, not 20. BNB. Oh, look at this. I'm on BNB. Why is BNB in my head? Maybe because I just did the video on it. So USDT. I'm all over the place in this video, but you'll get the message across. So select USDT, and type in the amounts of SOL you want to buy. For example, one will be $90, but I don't want to buy one. I want to buy $20 worth of SOL, and click buy SOL. And your open order will pop up over here, and when it's finally done, it will go into order history, and you get a confirmation in your top right corner that your order is complete. But I'm going to remove this one from here right quickly, and I'm gonna type in let's say 0.5. I don't care for a bit close just to demonstrate this to you myself. Isn't even buying like this. Alright, anyway. I'm gonna cancel it as well. Let's say you bought all you wanted, and you can check it out from your wallet. Go to your wallet. Take my spot. So, and there you see, we have Solana. $15 we wanted. If you want to convert it back, just click convert. Look at the funny thing is you can click convert there, but it doesn't set up to be Solana here automatically. So I don't know why they have it on each and different assets as well. Flip them, click max out, preview conversion, convert, and bam. That's it. Hope this helped. Remember, none of this is financial advice, so don't take it too hard. Hope this helped. See you next time.